Welcome to another installment of the Sawickipedia. Today we're looking at the Pioneer MVH-Z5050BT car stereo. This one works with Apple Carplay. It also has Android Auto and Spotify, along with supporting a bunch of other different file formats. Obviously there's a Bluetooth connection. Let's take a look inside the box. Starting out, we have the wiring harness. This is fairly standard color coding. We may not even be using this. We will find out in the next video. This is the USB cable that you use to hook up to the back of the unit, and then the front connector, which you'll use to hook up either to your iPhone or Android phone. Mounting screws, you can take a guess what they're for. The microphone, which we'll use to talk to either Siri or Google Assistant, or if you want to talk to a human, whatever. Remote controller, it has buttons. Warning about something, throw that away. The extra faceplate, if the unit doesn't quite fit, you can use this to obviously cover up its surrounds. And the instruction manual comes in English, Spanish and Portuguese. It is pretty concise by the looks of it, but who reads those anyway? That's what YouTube's for. Let's have a look at the unit. Pretty well packaged. So nice big screen on these things. The buttons are along the bottom here. This is fairly lightweight compared to its older sibling, the MVH-Z5050BT, which I have another video on if you'd like to check that out. At the back, we've got the connection for the microphone. There's the USB connection. That's where your wiring harness is going to go. Pre-outs left and right, and subwoofer, so if you've got an external amp. This is for a optional TV tuner. We've got the input for your reverse camera, video in and out, and the radio aerial input. So all in all, it looks pretty straightforward. Join us for the next one. We're going to be putting this into a Mazda 6 MPS or Mazda Speed 6 for the people in the US. We will see you there. Be sure to hit like if this has helped you out. Be sure to subscribe, and you can even leave me a comment down below. Thanks.